Planday Employee Scheduling Platform Tutorial for Beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Planday. Planday is a platform that is highly rated and it will allow you to create an employee schedule in no time. With this platform, employees will also be able to request vacation and they'll be able to track their work schedule, and you'll also be able to use this platform for payroll and so much more. The beautiful thing about it is you can get started for completely free when it comes onto Planday. So you're going to go onto planday.com, tap on free trial, and from there you'll be asked some basic information about your business. So once you have set up that information, you'll be redirected to a page just like this. Once on this page, this is the scheduling page, by the way. The first thing I want you to do is add your employees. To add employees, you could select people from the top navigation bar, the top left hand corner, and you're going to select employees. After selecting employees, from there you could tap on create employees in the top right hand corner, and you can either choose to create one employee or create multiple employees. And you can also select the different categories that you will be adding the employee in. So for example, let's say I will be adding a barista. I could select barista, and then from there I could tap on create employee and I could create an employee that's a barista, a dishwasher, or I could tap on the plus in the top left hand corner and I could create a new employee group, and I could add in the employee information as you can see right there. Or if they are admin, I could select admin or HR manager and I could simply add in their information as you can see right there. Now after you have added the employee, you will select schedule from the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. Once you have selected schedule, you are going to see all of the employees' name on the left hand column. Now all you'll need to do is tap on the plus to select a date. So I'm going to be selecting today, which is Monday. Then you can put in the time that they'll start working. So for example, from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I'll type that in right there. Then it is going to automatically calculate the duration or the hours. Then from there, I'll tap on their name and you can select the group. So let's say for example, this will be a manager. You can select the shift type. Then you can scroll down and you can add in their break hours. So you can tap on add break and you can choose the time that they'll be able to take break. So let's say for example, they'll be able to take break from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So I could type that in right there and it will be a paid break. After you have done that, you can add more breaks if you want. Then you'll tap on wage. And from here, you will put in the amount that you'll be paying them. And you can select the wage type, whether it be per hour or per shift. Then you can also add in supplements and different information. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on publish. Once it has been published, it will be shared with the employee. Once it has been shared with the employee, from there they'll get an update that your schedule has been updated. After their schedule has been updated, the next thing I would like you to do now that I've shown you how to create a schedule, next thing I want you to do is edit your profile or your business profile. To do this, you're going to tap on settings from the top navigation bar. After you have tapped on settings, you can see the different integrations that you can add. So you'll be able to add in a punch clock, which will allow them to sign in and sign out. You can also add contract rules and so on. You can set up all of this. By going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on general, and this is where you'll be able to put in your company address, and you can also set up different information by scrolling down. By selecting notification, you'll be able to edit the amount of notifications that you receive. So if you like to receive vacation requests, overtime and all of that, you can set that up right there. You can also go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you can set up the different schedules. You can also set up the punch clock, which will allow persons to punch in and punch out. So they'll be able to download the app and from there they can sign in and sign out. You can also set up the different requests or the different access that employees will be getting by going over to people. You can edit the access that they'll be getting to this platform. You can also use this platform to set up payroll. So you could select payroll, and from here you'll be able to create pay slips, and you'll be able to keep track of the pay slips. And to view all of this on your dashboard, you can select home. Once you have selected home, from here, let's say you're an employee. So once here, all they'll need to do is tap on go to schedule. After they have tapped on go to schedule, from here they'll be able to see their schedule. So you can see it right there. And they can see that their schedule is now active, and they'll be able to start working. And as I said earlier, they'll be able to start working, and they can also punch in. So all you'll need to do is tap on approved. Once the schedule has been approved and they sign in, they'll hover over people, or better yet schedule, sorry. Then they'll see punch clock. After tapping on punch clock, from there they'll be able to punch in. And that's basically it when it comes onto this platform. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.